Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to JMC Creates. My name is Jackie McKissick, and today we're going to make this card, but we're going to concentrate on how I did the messy background. Okay, so this is using Stampin Up Aspen dies. I have a piece of card that is 4 by 5 5/8, and I put the die on in the center and I cut it out. Okay. Right. Okay. And there we go, Bob's your uncle. Just cut out all the pieces, or pop out all the pieces, as they say. I should have had this done beforehand, but this card evolved. Let's just say that it evolved to where it is now. I don't know what I was intending at the start, but I like what I ended up with in the end, so that's what matters. Right, now where is my gathered twigs? Okay, gathered twigs all round the outside. Okay. Ugh. What sort of craft card is this? It's not standing up to my brittle inking. So it's not. And that is all we're going to do to round the outside. Make sure you cover the inside like that. Right? Okay, then take a little brush and some darker ink and just brush the edges at one side, and you'll get darker bits at one side. Just do it as best you can. Doesn't have to be everywhere, just has to be somewhere. Right. Okay, just to give it a little bit of, this is ground espresso. Okay, so that's all we're doing to our outside panel. Ach look, I dirtied my card base. Flippin' more. I am the messiest crafter ever. Right, let's clean up before we forget, because I would forget and stick the new card base on there, and then I'd be up shit creek without a paddle. Right, a piece of card that is 4 by 5 5, and what you want to do, well actually you need to cut it slightly smaller than your top bit, so 3 7/8 by 5 3/8. Okay, and you take a pencil and then you mark lightly where the edge is. Okay, like that. Okay, so I have my finger daubers, and I have some Papercraft Society inks. I have 2 green, 2 yellows, an orange and a red. Okay, So let's start with the red, like that, and as soon as I start the video the hubby wakes up. Right, so this is all you're going to do. Make sure you've plenty of ink in your finger dauber and do that. Okay, make sure you go off the edges too, because you need the edges covered. Okay, so red, then this orangey one, and just put them wherever floats your boat, next to each other, on top of each other. Just make sure you go off the edges, right? Then this dark yellow, like this. Okay, you would do your other yellow. I forgot I put my thingies away and I'm confusing myself. I'm going on with a slight yellow. And I am not using any rhyme or reason here. I am just putting them down anywhere that floats my boat. Right, and then the last two are the greens. Okay, and you can join them up wherever floats your boat. It's up to you where you put this stuff at. Okay, and then you have another green, a brighter green, and you do that. Okay. Okay, and then you go back to the other ones and you do them, okay, until you're finished. And you'll have a piece that looks like that. Okay. So, what I want to attempt to use on this is this creative expressions. No, it's not. It's a fill thingamajigger. Martin, it's a Phil Martin die stamp. Okay, now I need to try and get it to stick on my platform. So I'm putting some sticky on it, right? Then make sure you do this bit. Do not forget this bit. Anti-static. Now it takes that it takes these dots a long time to dry. A long time. And they must be dry. So do them with dry them with your heat gun if necessary. That's what I was thinking of. Dry them with your heat gun if you have to. Or if you've got time to just leave them, then just leave them. Now this is a Versamark, and I'm not sure if this is going to work. I did that one with stamp from my stash. One of them obscure background stamp thingies. And This time I want to try this, and I'm crossing my fingers and toes, but I'm certainly not picking my nose. Oh, right. That's the sort of rhyme my grandson finds funny. Easy at what do you expect? He's going to the Llamas Fair today. His great grandmother lives down there. So then you need your clear embossing ink. Okay. Oh, I think this might be nice. I think I might like it. Well, then again, I might not. One doesn't know until one's finished one's project. Now we're going to the noisy bit, because you have to heat set that. And you just want to slowly move across. I don't know if this is covering enough of it. I'm not sure how this is going to look. Right, now you're doing a messy bit. I'm taking my ground espresso and I am going right over that. Okay, right, and then take a piece of paper. Ooh, look at that messy stuff. And buff it off. Then clean up in aisle 3. Because that would just ruin your card now if you left that on there like that. And you don't want to ruin your card at this stage of the game. And now for the... Does it look nice? Oh yes, it does look nice. I didn't cover enough. Oh, I can do it there. Oh, that's quite nice. I like that. This looks pink. But who cares? Right, we need to take a bit more off that. That's why I said make sure you go outside your lines. Make sure your lines are covered. Then that will go on there like that. Okay, so where is the stuff? There's the card base. There's the other card base, the one that we ruined. Right. I took my branch. This is the perched in a tree stamp set. And I just buy what I like. So I put the branch in there, and all I've done is stamp in VersaFine, heat embossed with clear, and used my distress inks and a paintbrush to colour it in. It's easy peasy lemon squeezy. Right, I want that on there like that. I've just stuck that under one of the branches, and that's going to sit there like that. So I'm just going to glue down as much as I can. One there. and then a little bit on there, and I'm going to glue that branch down. Now, brown cow, I want to put foam strips on, and I want to put foam tape on my robin, because that's the way I've coloured it. I've coloured it as a robin. This is very much a fall, an autumn. What am I saying fall for? I don't live in America, I live in Northern Ireland. We say autumn. That's my grandson. Okay, the camera ran out of room, so I had to go on and delete some stuff. So I stuck my tape, my double-sided foam tape on, and this didn't happen in the other one because I had plenty outside the edges, whereas I didn't have just enough here. So there we go. Then we stick our bird on our branch. Okay, just stick him on there. Right, that's the dirty one. Where's the clean one? Put that on a card base. Okay. Like that. Let's stand up and see if we can do it right first time. Right. And the last bit you want to do is you want to put foam tape on your sentiment. Look. That foam tape is so damn sticky. Hey. Come on. It's very thin looking. And then just put your sentiment on, which I stamped in a brown ink, any brown ink. And that is my card. There is the first one. This must be different craft card. Came out different. But this, I got more of a reddy pink here, and I got more of an orangey yellow there. So it's different every time you do it. So anyway, that's what I wanted to show you. I wanted to show you using the sponge daubers to do the Jacob's coat technique. So thank you for stopping by. As always, greatly appreciate it. The people that comment and subscribe are the people that keep me going. So thank you very much. I really appreciate it. I hope you're all safe and well, and until the next time, jag you out.